Hi, myself Setlam Amar. Can I know your name and age?
Vishal 22.
Okay. So today I am going to do examination of cranial nerves. Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's proceed with cranial nerve 1, which is olfactory. So which is sense of smell. So do you have any obstruction while breathing?
No.
Okay. So can you close your one of nostril and try to breathe in, breathe out with other? Okay. Can you do with other hand? Okay. Okay. So check for the patency of nose, which is symmetrical. So can you close your eyes and please close your one of your nostril and please let me know. I am going to place something in front of your nose. Please smell and let me know what is that.
Coffee.
Okay. Do with your other nostril. Close your eyes. What is that?
Coffee.
Okay. So let's move on to next cranial nerve 2, which is optic. For that, do you have any sight?
No.
For optic nerve, we are going to use a visual acuity. For that, I am going to use lens chart. Can you read this as much as possible
Okay.
by closing one of your eye?
E F P T O Z L P F D.
Okay. Try to read with your other eye by closing it.
E F P T O Z L F E D.
Okay. So now I am going to perform a visual field test. I am going to wiggle my fingers. Please let me know when you see them.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now I am going to use ophthalmoscope scope to look into your eyes. I am going to use my right hand and right eye to look into your right eye. Okay. Now I am going to use my left hand and left eye to look into your left eye. Okay. So now I am going to check for cranial nerve 3, 4 and 6, which is oculomotor, trochlear and abducens. So now I am going to look for extraocular muscle. So can you look into my tip of the finger? Don't move your head and follow my hand. Okay. So now I'm going to perform a convergence test. So please look at the tip of my finger. Don't move your hand and follow my tip. Okay. So now I am going to perform direct reflex. So I am going to use pen light and flash my pen light tangentially. Look for pupillar constriction. Now I am going to perform indirect reflex. Can you place your hand in between your eyes? Okay. So now I am going to flash pen light tangentially. Okay. So now I am going to perform cover and uncover test. So is your vision blurry?
No.
Okay. Is your vision blurry?
No.
Okay. Is your vision blurry?
No.
Okay. So now I am going to observe anastomogus. Cranial nerve 5, which is trigeminal. For that I am going to use Quatermain swarm for sensory function. So I am going to place cotton swab around your face. Can you close your eyes? Okay, so if you feel any pain, please say yes. If you feel anything, please say yes. Okay?
Yes.
Do you feel anything?
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 Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to use cotton wisp for light sensation. Close your eyes. Do you feel anything?
Yes.
Do you feel anything?
Yes.
Do you feel anything?
Yes.
Do you feel anything?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to perform motor function. Can you clench your teeth? Okay, can you move your jaw side to side? Okay, can you open your mouth and try to resist the pressure, not to close your mouth? Okay, so now I'm going to perform corneal reflex. For that I'm going to place cotton wisp at the edge of your eye. Can you look that far? Okay, so now I'm going to place cotton wisp at the edge of the eye. Okay, I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm going to perform a cranial nerve. Now I'm going to check for cranial nerve 7, which is a facial nerve. So for that you have to close your eyes tightly, not to open. Okay, so now can you show your teeth? Smile. Okay, can you puff your cheeks? Oh, okay. Can you wrinkle your forehead? Cranial nerve 8 examination, which is a vestibulocochlear, so which has audio function. So now I'm going to perform whisper test. So I'm going to close one of your ear and will whisper. You have to say what is I whispered.
99. 88.
Okay, so now I'm going to use tuning fork to perform Weber's test. Can you hear the vibrations on both sides?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to perform the Rene's test. I'm going to vibrate tuning fork and place behind the ear. Can you hear?
Yes.
Okay, tell me when it stops.
Yes.
Okay, can you hear now?
Yes.
Okay. Cranial nerve 9 and 10, which is glossopharyngeal and vagus nerve. So for that you have to open your mouth. Can you open your mouth? So now I am going to observe for any dysphonia and dysarthria. Look for the position. Can you bring your tongue down? Okay, so look for the symmetry of vulva and position. Okay, so it should be at midline. And now can you say ah? Ah.
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 See the vulva should be at midline. Okay, now gag reflex. Gag reflex. Can you open your mouth? So now I'm going to use tongue depressor to depress his tongue, which is caused gag reflex. This stimulates the pharyngeal mucosa. This causes patient to gag. Now spinal accessory nerve, which is 11th cranial nerve. For that, can you resist my pressure. Can you move opposite to the direction which I am placing my hand? Okay, now do the same. Okay, so observe sternocleidomastoid muscle while doing that. Now can you shrug your shoulders to my hand? Can you pull up your shoulders? Okay, again, relax. Yeah, now do again. Okay, check for trapezius muscle. Okay, now last cranial nerve, which is hypoglossal nerve, which is 12th cranial nerve. For that, can you bring your tongue outside? Look for any atrophy. There is no atrophy. Tongue looks symmetrical. Okay, can you move your tongue side to side? Yeah. So movement is rhythmic, so there is no deviation of tongue. Okay, so here ends the cranial nerve examination. Thank you.